welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So we talk a lot about how hard masculine cards are to find those right supplies, and you may not know, but it's Greg's birthday coming up in August, and I've really been struggling to find something to get him because he is the man who doesn't want anything. The less stuff, the better. So I really struggle. I mean, every year we buy him, like, you know, a bottle of bourbon or something, but I wanted something more imaginative. So Ali and I did some research, and she found a company called Been There, Done That. And these are super cool because we have grey walls throughout our house, and we just fill it with artwork. So these are perfect. I think Greg's going to love these. And so they sent us a few to try out, and I wanted to share them with you because you can use them for any age. I've got one here we're going to give to Maddie for her birthday. You can get them for younger kids. There's all sorts of different things. We have here the Novolog. So this one is all about novels, and I'm going to open this up, but there's a young adults version. They've got a kids version coming out. There's 15 different ones to choose from, and they're going to have 20 of them by the end of the year. There's everything from musicals to an adult's bucket list to a kid's bucket list. There are ones for travel, kind of the traditional ones, but these really go outside of that traditional travel box. So let's open this one up. And I mean, their idea originated, and we've all kind of done this idea of scrapbooking or having a map that, you know, you add photographs and things to. But these are really fun conversation starters. I think, you know, when Maddie's friends come over or when we have parties, people will be like, oh, that's a kind of cool thing. Oh, I've seen that one. Have you not seen that? You should see it. I mean, those kinds of really fun things are going to be great. So these are 15 by 17, and you get a set of stickers with them. I'll show you one that I've done in a second as well. And then you also get your piece here. So let's take this one out of the protective bag. So here are your list of books. So you can kind of see how many of these have you read. So for instance, I've seen Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. I've read To Kill a Mockingbird. I've read Moby Dick. So you can go through and you can scratch these off just like this. And then you have these really fun stickers on here. So you can rate these novels. So you can see you've got your star stickers. You add this on the bottom. I'll show you the musicals one that we've done. And then you can do my all-time top 10. You can add awards to different novels as well. You've got genre awards, all those kinds of things. I'm actually saving this one for Maddie for her birthday because she's a huge reader. But what you do have is the option to get these framed. So of course you could have this framed and have it in an open frame and do it that way. Or you can frame it like this. So it's really, really easy. You just take your one piece of your frame like this, and you take your other piece. They're completely magnetic, so they're super easy to do, and you'll feel it just kind of snap together like that. And then you add the other one on the bottom, and that is it. So it's just going to hold it out. And that extra little bit of weight will just hold it nice and flat for you, which I love. Let me show you the one that we already completely started as well. So this is the musicals one. Here we go. So you can open this up. So the idea, they call it, is that it's part journal, part bucket list, part wall out, part of your life. So that's the kind of fun thing. So we can log where we are. Here's the musicals one that we did. So you can see we've added our stars on. You just take a highlighter and you add how many stars you give each one. And then like this one, we added Best Opera on here. You can see number 1 is Hamilton, of course, if you've seen it over on Disney+. So all of those kinds of things, you can add all of those on there, and then you just scratch them off as you go. So it's really, really easy. As I say, there's tons of different ones. There are ones about travels and different states. There's bucket lists. I think the kid bucket list is really fun, and the adult bucket list too. So go check them out. I'll add links down below for you, and you can go check them out. But I think my guys here are going to absolutely love them. And if you're struggling for gifts, hopefully you'll find this really fun and interesting as well, and just something a little bit out the ordinary. So I said I'd be sharing some more personal things here. So there you go. These are their birthday presents. You'll get to find out before they do. And I know Maddie doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so I'm pretty safe putting it up here because Mum is not cool. But let me know what ideas you have for gifts and things, and which one of these. Go check out their website. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one you would like to add to your wall as well. So I'll see you all very soon. Happy scratching and crafting and journaling, and I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to hit subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you soon. Bye.